Some people look at Cheddar Flow's pricing and assume it's just another expensive data tool, but after months of testing each plan and tracking real trades with them, I realized the accuracy of their options flow and the speed of their alerts actually saved me from bad entries more times than I can count. So in this video, I'm breaking down Cheddar Flow pricing to show you which plan actually makes sense for your trading style and how to get it for way less than the advertised price. But before we jump into the details of Cheddar Flow's pricing to see which plan actually makes sense for your trading style and how to avoid overpaying, let's get one thing crystal clear first. Who is this platform actually built for? Well, Cheddar Flow is specifically created for the active stock and options traders who want to track institutional money flow and unusual options activity in real time. Its strongest suit is the live options flow, the dark pool tracking, and those visual alerts that simplify complex market data into something that you can actually use while you're trading. So to help figure out if this is for you, don't just take my word for it. Here's how one active trader described it. He said Cheddar Flow has become one of his favorite tools for tracking real-time options flow. He mentioned that the alerts are fast, clean, and accurate, and the platform is easy to use even during high volatility trading. He really appreciated the transparency and the quality of the data, called it a solid tool for active traders. And that's the thing, this isn't some complicated platform that takes months to figure out. It's built for people who are already trading and just want better information. Alright, so now that we know who this platform is actually built for, let's break down Cheddar Flow's pricing and see what you really get for your money. So Cheddar Flow offers 3 main tiers right now, and they're structured to scale with your experience level and your trading goals. First, you have the standard plan. This one starts with a free 7-day trial, which I think is a smart move by them, and with this plan, you get real-time order flow data, advanced filters to narrow down exactly what you're looking for, unusual volume data that highlights when something weird is happening in the market, and flow overview insights that help you see the bigger picture. You also get on-demand historical data so that you can go back and see what happened in previous sessions, and you get access to something called Cheddar AI. Cheddar AI leverages advanced artificial intelligence to give you accurate and timely responses to your questions. So whether you're a beginner trying to understand the basics of options trading or an experienced trader looking for advanced strategies, Cheddar AI is equipped to help you. Now, the next tier up is where things get more interesting for serious traders. This is the professional plan. This plan is built for experienced traders who want more data and want to level up their game. You get everything from the standard plan, plus some pretty powerful additions. You get gamma exposure data, which is a real game changer, because real-time gamma exposure data provides a comprehensive view of market maker positioning and potential price movements. It analyzes the aggregate gamma of options across different strikes and expirations. So this powerful metric gives you a real edge by quantifying how sensitive option deltas are to changes in the underlying asset price. Basically, it helps you anticipate where volatility might get suppressed or where it might amplify. One trader I came across in my research put it this way. He said that he'd been searching for reliable real-time gamma data for a long time. He mentioned that Cheddar Flow's gamma exposure feature was exactly what he needed, and that it gave him a real edge in understanding potential price movements before they happen. And when I tested this, I pulled up a stock that had been ranging for days. The gamma exposure showed a heavy concentration at a certain strike. Sure enough, price approached that level and stalled right there. That's not magic, that's data. With the professional plan, you get all of that. You also get a custom watch list builder so that you can track exactly what matters to you. You get dark pool orders and dark pool levels, which show you where institutional players are moving large blocks of shares away from public exchanges. And you get AI power alerts, which takes the AI functionality to a whole different level. This system uses artificial intelligence to analyze real-time data and provide you with proactive and actionable option alerts. These alerts are designed to help you make informed and profitable decisions. And then, finally, there's the top tier, the Pro Annual Plan. This one is for those full-time traders who are experienced with order flow and use this data every single day to make decisions. You get everything from the professional plan and below, but you also get it at a discounted rate by paying annually. Same features, all the gamma exposure, the custom watch list builder, the dark pool orders and levels, the AI power alerts, but you're locking in at a better price by committing for the full year. One thing I noticed while testing these plans is that the dark pool data alone can be worth the upgrade for the right trader. These dark pool orders show you where institutions are buying and selling large blocks of shares away from the public exchanges. This is information that used to be completely unavailable to retail traders. So now you can actually see it in real time and actually use it to confirm your trades or spot accumulation before a big move. But the big question still remains, is Cheddar Flow's pricing actually worth it, or is it overpriced for what you get? Well, my take is this, you might have guessed, It depends entirely on how you trade and how committed you are to using the data in the long term especially. So I looked into what some other traders were saying across different platforms to get a more balanced view. I also checked out what some review sites are saying. Bullishbears.com did a pretty thorough breakdown of the platform as well. They said that for the everyday trader, their sentiment was a resounding yes when asking if Cheddar Flow was worth it, even for just average traders. They pointed out that until a few years ago, the type of data Cheddar Flow provides was completely unavailable to retail investors, so they're kind of one of the ones that did it first. This was something that only institutions had access to until Cheddar Flow. They also explained that if you can actually utilize the information that Cheddar Flow gives you, it's not unreasonable to think that it can help you make better trading decisions. They also highlighted how easy the platform is to use, especially for beginners. According to them, one glance at the options scanner tells you everything you need to know about how to use it. No steep learning curve, no complicated setup. Now, I still think it takes a bit of time to learn how to use it, but it's not complicated at all. If you want to get started with Cheddar Flow at a fraction of the cost without overpaying, all you have to do is check out the link in the description of this video. We've actually worked directly with Cheddar Flow to secure the highest discount deal currently available for our viewers. It's an exclusive arrangement that gives you access to their complete Cheddar Flow pricing plans at the best possible rate you'll find anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Click it and enjoy.